Welcome everyone to another episode on our channel. I do not own personally a lot of Kotobukiya figures, but I love the figures I do own. I've said this before, but the makers of these statues capture motion so very well. It's like fluidity in motion. And Batman certainly looks like he's in motion. Superman does. Wonder Woman here is the only one that has more of a static pose. But these are great figures. And I don't own very many. I do have Captain America. I've showed you Captain America with Batman and with Superman. And as a trio, they go well together in terms of dimensions. No one seems to dwarf the other. The other day, I went out and got a Spider-Man, a 1/6 scale, just like all of these figures were listed as. And he dwarfed Batman and Superman and Captain America. And that was confusing. So I wondered how Wonder Woman would look with these two characters, because she's Kotobukiya as well. And she kind of, to me at first, looked like she is a bit taller. But I measured her from the base of her feet to the top of her head, and she's about 11.5 inches. When I measured Batman to just a little bit over his ear, he's about 12 inches. And when I measured Superman in terms of segments, he came out to about 12 inches. When I measured them from the crest of their hairline to their chin, it's in each case, keeping in mind that his crest line of his hair is smushed down and is where the mask begins, they're all 1.25 inches. So they're pretty much good in terms of size ratios, with her being slightly smaller, even though she looks like she's slightly taller in my mind to the other two guys. And I was trying to figure that out. I think one of the reasons why she looks a bit taller, at least to me, is she's standing straighter. Her hair is a little bit higher and fuller. So that might make her face look a little bit larger. But I think it's all an illusion. But if in your mind they don't seem to work together as a trio, because she seems a little bit larger than the two guys, my solution would be simply move the two guys forward a bit more and have her maybe a bit more behind. Yeah, let's see. All right. And I think if you do that, you'll be okay. Triangular shaped. When we first started out, their heads were even with each other. Now it's more triangular shaped. And I think it definitely works now from this perspective. So sometimes these little tricks can help if your eyes are playing tricks on you in terms of the sizing. I couldn't do that with Spider-Man. There was no way to make Spider-Man fit with Captain America, Batman, and Superman. He definitely dwarfed the three other characters. She seemed to be slightly taller than these two guys, but moving her back, for me, solves this problem. And I think it really is just an illusion that she looks a touch taller. Since we've showed these characters to you in the past, we're not going to put them on a turntable and show them from different angles. This was just my 2 cents worth and doing a comparison of these three figures to see if they would work together. In my mind, they work together wonderfully. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the episode. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what you've seen here today. If you have, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. In the meantime, everyone, have a great day.